So yun mga bossing, dahil gabi na, bali tatanggalin natin yung headlight. So kalahati yung na-buff natin kanina sa body nito. So yun, gagawin natin ngayon is headlight. Bubuksan natin to at i-restore natin mga bossing para bukas so patuloy natin yung pagbabuff yung sa body niya. So yun, yung mga boss, so samahan niyo ako mga bossing.
Let's go! Let's go! Here we go now. Let's go now. Let's go. Every single morning it's the same old fight. Trapped inside a box trying to find the light. They build the walls up higher, say to stay in line. But inside this static there's a different design. Wasn't looking for trouble, wasn't trying to be fake. Just a soul with the fire and a limited take. Now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down. Feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the.
At yan mga boss, dahil natanggal na natin, so yun, dadalhin na natin dun sa kabila at atin nang bubuksan mga boss. So doon tayo sa nakasarado yung area para hindi malagyan ng buhangin o alikabok yung ating gawa. So yun lang mga boss. So yun mga boss, bubuksan na natin yung magbubukas na tayo ng headlight. Yan. So ito yung mga gagamitin natin mga bossing. So yan, may heat gun tayo para pagpalambot dun sa sealant. Then yan, ito yung mga tools natin na ginagamit. So yun mga boss, so simulan na natin to mga boss.
Can show you a vision, a truth untold, a story that is finally breaking the mold. Oh yeah, now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down, feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming with a new fire burning ever so bright. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm on every playlist, winning every fight, leaving all the doubt in total devastation. Why was I hiding in the back of my mind? Why did I think that I had to be kind? And will I make it to the finish line? Or will I fade away and leave it all be? Let's go! 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 It's all taking over. It's all taking.
Ayun mga boss, so ito na yung result ng ating headlight restoration. So yun, sa may mga problema dyan sa headlight, yun, tumawag lang kayo mga boss or mag-PM kayo. Ilalagay ko yung link ng ating page. Pwede kayo mag-inquire doon mga boss. Thank you.